I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by saving any work and confirming your Wi-Fi name and password so you can reconnect. Now open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Status. You'll see a Network Reset link near the bottom. Click Network Reset to begin. This removes network adapters and clears custom settings. Once done, Windows will plan a restart. Make sure you're ready to reboot. This step resets drivers and network stacks so corrupted configurations get a fresh start. After you click Network Reset, choose Reset Now and confirm when prompted. This is the actionable confirmation that tells Windows to remove and reinstall network adapters. Once you confirm, Windows schedules a restart. Allow it to reboot automatically or restart within 5 minutes to continue. During reboot, the system reinstalls Wi-Fi drivers and restores default TCP/IP settings and firewall profiles. Make sure to wait. Interrupting this can leave drivers in an inconsistent state. When the PC restarts, proceed to reconnect to your network. Once the system is back up, select your Wi-Fi SSID and enter the saved password to reconnect. This verifies the reset fixed the issue. If the network or adapter still doesn't appear, run Settings Network and Internet Network Troubleshooter to diagnose common problems automatically. If that fails, open Device Manager, locate the wireless adapter, right-click to uninstall, then scan for hardware changes or reboot to reinstall the driver. One key troubleshooting tip: update the adapter driver from the manufacturer if reinstalling doesn't restore connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.